What's up guys, this is Freaks Ritual. I'm about to show you another flashlight review. This is the Olight Smini Baton. As you can see, the box is the limited edition. Guess these people buy these as gifts. You got the little bun right there. Alright, it's the copper version, the rose gold. You get a 5-year warranty. So if you got an issue, just contact them, they'll take care of you. Alright, let's see what it comes with. I think it just comes with the light and the user manual. Well, that's how it looks in the box. It's pretty nice. Alright, let me show you the that's pretty nice. What is that? Ooh. Oh, alright, I didn't notice that. I don't know if you saw that. I guess people throw winning. Yeah, so when they win, when they do con giveaways. Alright, so 110 meters. That's max beam distance. 550 lumens. You get your 3000 candela. IPX8 waterproof. So 6 feet underwater for 30 minutes. Guess it's running on 10 hertz. You got 1.5 meters drop impact resistance. It's running a Cree XML2. And then you got your size, dimension, and you could run one CR123A or RCR123A. It's your 16340 lithium ion battery. So 550 lumens on turbo, then it'll drop to 300 once it gets hot. 60 for 120 minutes, so that's pretty good. You got your 60 lumens for 8.5 hours, 12 lumens for 64 hours, and 0.5 lumens for 30 days. And if you want to show you best test results and then how to put your battery in. Alright, that's that. Let's take a look at the light. Looks beautiful to me. Looks more brass than copper, but I don't know how they did this. Or it's the kind of copper. To me, it looks brass and copper kind of, but it looks more brass to me. You can tail stand. You got your weird little optics and your infamous blue ring around the Olight infamous trademark blue, whatever you want to call it. Alright. Oh, this is the upgraded version. See where the clip is sitting? They upgraded the clip. So I guess the older version, I guess the clip would rotate and it would bother people. So that's why they did that. But this thing looks beautiful. Alright, we're going to make this quick because I want to take this bad boy outside. I'm going to show you the user interface. It's simple. Alright, this is simple quick. Turns it on. I had it at the high mode. But there's your mode memory. So you hold the button, you cycle through your modes, and off to get to your moonlight, you just hold it. Here's your moonlight. To get to your turbo and moonlight, you just double tap or any mode. Alright, so it does have that mode memory. So triple tap, get you your strobe, and that's it. Alright guys, that was a quick review of the Olight Smini Baton. I will put links in the description on where to get it. I'm going to bring this bad boy outside. See you in a minute. Guys, about to show you the beam footage with the Olight Smini Baton. Alright, hold on. Alright, I'm at moonlight. I'm gonna ramp it up. This is low. You can see a little bit. Gonna ramp it up. I think that's 60 lumens. And then I'm gonna ramp it up to the highest. Damn, look at that. It should drop when it gets too hot. But it's a big wall of light for this little EDC light. I gotta look out for the coyotes. Look at that. Alright. It hasn't dropped yet. So that's good. Well, let me try. Yeah, it didn't drop. Alright. Turn it off. Let's do this one more time. This is moonlight. I'm way down here just so you can see moonlight. Ramp it up. Ramp it up. You can see a little bit. Ramp it up higher. There you go. 550 lumens. When it gets too hot, it will drop to 300. But that's only saving the LED, so don't damage it. There you go. Damn bugs. That's how it looks. Might have not. Didn't drop. Alright guys, that's my footage for the Olight Smini Baton. Hope you guys like it. Until next time, peace.